Let's dive into division. 312 divided by 2. Hey super math stars, it's me, your favorite math tutor from Let's Stud. If you're having fun learning with me, give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Let's keep exploring the amazing world of numbers together. Alright, let's get started with our first step. We're going to use the first digit of 312, which is 3. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. Let's check. 1 times 2 is 2. Now we subtract. 3 minus 2 equals 1. We have a remainder of 1. You're doing amazing. Keep that positive energy up. Now let's bring down the next digit to make a new number. Woohoo, on to step 2. We bring down the next digit 1 next to our remainder 1. That makes 11. How many times does 2 fit into 11? It fits 5 times. Let's check. 5 times 2 equals 10. Subtract. 11 minus 10 equals 1. Our remainder is 1 again. You're crushing it, almost there. Time to bring down the last digit. Last step, let's finish strong. We bring down the final digit 2 next to our remainder 1. Our new number is 12. How many times does 2 fit into 12? It fits exactly 6 times. Check it. 6 times 2 is 12. Subtract. 12 minus 12 equals 0. No remainder this time. Fantastic work, you solved it. We've reached the end of our division journey. And the answer is 156. Great job, everyone. We just tackled 312 divided by 2 step by step. Remember, even big numbers can be conquered with patience and practice. You're all doing fantastic. That's all for today, math adventurers. Keep practicing and don't forget to check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.